Hello everyone, how to totes back with another app review video, and in this video I'm going to show you I'm going to tell you an app. It's called Oil's Fargo mobile banking app. So you can see the rating of the app 4.7 out of 5, and when you get any app, the app is more than 4, so you consider that the app is really amazing. And 2 million reviews, it means 2 million people write something about this app. We will see it later. And 69 size of the app. Okay, and you can see 10 million plus people already downloaded this app or uses this app. So if you want to check some screenshot like what is the main feature about this app, then here you will see here a new feature. There are some things. It's like simple sign and experience. It's really easy to sign in like other app. An account summary, so you can see your summary. It's really simple. Account details, transaction details, pay and transfer. So here are something like send money, you can pay bills, transfer, wire money, pay card, pay loan and credit line. So many things, many feature is available here. Pay with Jelly, so Jelly is also available here. Mobile check deposit, so you can check deposit, and many things is available here. So we'll see about this app, like when this app is released and what is the key feature like deposit fund. And there are some stay secure, investment contact. There is something here, and you can see the app is released 2010, so they're serving many years, so it is trusted and it is globally used. And you can see the ratings and reviews about the app. If you go here, and you can see the 5-star ratings, there are many people write good and there are many people also write bad, like negative reviews here. And the good thing is that they replied, Wells Fargo mobile community, they replied all the things. So if you face any problem, then you can do so. Okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's moment, thank you for watching.